The lecture for stand-up paddleboarding. The program for stand-up paddleboarding for beginners who have never been stand-up paddleboarding before. For beginners, and then the program will be focused on the beginners' work, and it will be um, basic for safety and enjoy enjoyment in on the ocean, on the board, being together, being ocean and paddlers together, feeling ocean and about the knowing about the basic uh, skills to enjoy paddling from beginning to trying to stand up. And also the price area is very narrow, limited area. This program will be leisure sub program. And then leisure sub program for beginners is very important for comfortableness. And then knowing about the attendant who want to try to stand up paddleboarding for the first time. They just feeling enjoy, and then even though where it's very important where they attend uh, the stand up paddleboarding, the lake, river, ocean. Uh, the ocean will always careful about the waves when they paddle out and paddle in, landing, and then they should care about the waves. So they know about the danger of the waves when then turn it over and then the board will hit the attendant. And also they should know about the direction and then change the direction, moving forward. And also people try to stand up, they needed to the course to recovery. The depth of their waist or the chest, and they try to recovery on the board, and then after practicing on the land, on the sand zone, and they try to swim, and then they without standing, just only swim and then jump on the board recovery, and then how to paddle. And also the boat will turn it over at the strong wind. Then they should know about that recovery, the paddleboard. After then, they can try to stand up. And then the warning of stand up, don't stand up the shallow water because they can get a hurt in ankle or that is will be hurt. For the beginners, and then the course for the leisure stand-up paddleboarding course will be very comfortable for the attendants and then not harsh and just enjoying. And after they enjoy the stand-up paddleboarding, and if they like the stand-up paddleboarding, they can attend the next course is touring stand-up paddleboarding. Today, I um, gave a lesson to uh, father and son, and who attended for the first time, attended the stand-up paddleboarding course for the first time. Then and I gave them comfortable lecture, even though the wind strong, and then they followed me properly. And as your instructors, and then instructors should know the attendant how they uh, helpful the direction of the wind or current, and then how they don't go far away, and they enjoy the same position, not go far away. That is the purpose of the instructor and then guiding. After after lecture, and then uh, if they when they uh, paddling for themselves alone, and then it's important keeping the rules, because if they don't know what to do, no idea about the wind direction or current, where to go, and then they might be in the danger situation because of the wind and current. So it's very important to get a good guide as an instructor. Now I would like to develop the standard paddleboard lesson and courses for the leader and then for the beginners who attend the standard paddleboarding lesson for the first time, and then I can get a improving and then next level, and that is will be good for the who interested in standard paddleboarding. Yeah. Okay. So give me the program for beginners.